Announced by all the trumpets of the sky, arrives the snow, while driving o'er the fields, seems nowhere to alight, and the whited air hides hills and woods, the river and the heaven, the veiled farmhouse at the garden's end. The sled and traveler stopped, the courier's feet delayed, all friends shut out, the housemates sit around a radiant fireplace, enclosed in tumultuous privacy of storm. Come see the north wind's masonry, out of an unseen quarry evermore, furnished with tile, the fierce artificer curves his white bastions with projected roof round every windward stake or tree or door. Speeding the myriad-handed, his wild work, so fanciful, so savage, naught cares he for number or proportion. Mockingly on coop or kennel he hangs, Parian wreaths a swan-like form invests the hidden thorn, fills up the farmer's lane from wall to wall despite the farmer's size, and at the gate a tapering turret overtops the work. And when his hours are numbered, and the world in all his own, retiring as he were not, leaves when the sun appears, astonished art, to mimic to slow structures, stone by stone, built in an age the mad wind's nightwork, the frolic architecture of the snow.